Dear students of BSc Part 2 and respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver today the lecture on isothermal transformation for change in entropy. The topic taken from BSc Part 2, Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, selected from Unit 2nd, title as Thermodynamics 2nd. Dear students of BSc Part 2, first of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice and focus on our previous lecture in which we were solving the numerical based on change in entropy, and that is the Carnot cycle, which further was based on first case for ideal gas for change in change in that is of entropy. Today the second case that is of second phase change in entropy for phase transformation I will deliver today, and its various important fundamentals, thermodynamic quantities by means of change in internal energy, entropy, change in that is of heat and various kinds of temperature. We will calculate by means of various phase transformation diagram. The simple diagram I have mentioned, I have drawn on the blackboard here, in which solid phase is now converted into that is of liquid phase, vice versa. Liquid phase is now converted back into that is of solid phase. Next one, liquid phase is now converted into that is a vapor phase, vice versa. Vapor phase now converted into liquid phase. It is also possible to convert to change directly solid phase to that is of vapor phase. It is also the conditions to achieve the conversion of direct one solid state to another solid state. In simple diagram, the various transformation by phase transformation. In this diagram, in this lecture, today I will calculate the value of change in entropy, required heat and enthalpy, and to define by various transformation of phase and to define that is of entropy. First one case that is of, we will define here, we will deliver here that is of change in entropy for solid to that is of liquid phase transformation. Dear student, del Q1, del Q2, del Q3, del Q4, del Q5, del Q6 in various that is of heat transformation I have drawn on the blackboard here. Now question is now arises here. Question now arises here. In order to define that is of molar heat of that is of enthalpy or entropy, the required heat to convert from solid state to that is of liquid state is known as that is of, here you define here that is of enthalpy of fusion, entropy concerning an enthalpy that is of fusion, that is of enthalpy here regarding to that is of entropy is known as that is of fusion entropy. Now putting this value in melting process, T is equals to Tf is equals to T melting or T fusion. Required heat will be nowadays as that is of fusion of enthalpy. Now substitute these values in the fundamental equation that is of m del S is equals to Q reversible upon T. I meant to see, in order to convert 1 mole of solid into 1 mole of liquid, the required heat, which is known as that is of fusion of enthalpy, when is divided by that is of fusion temperature, the required thermodynamic quantity is known as that is of here, that is of molar heat of fusion here. It has been shown from equation number 1. Next version that is of case second here, liquid to that is of solid. First of define, in order to define that is of liquid to solid here, that is of 1 mole of liquid which is required to convert 1 mole of solid. In this case, you know the required reversible heat is known as that is of freezing of enthalpy, and you know here the concerning value of that is of entropy is known as that is of freezing entropy here. Now on substituting these values, the fundamental equation in equation number A, del S that is of freezing is equals to that is of enthalpy of freezing divisible by that is of T temperature, I mean solidification. Equation number 2. Next one that is of case that is of 3. We will deliver here conversion of liquid to vapor in tomorrow. Thank you very much.